Now we create a HTML first project. Let's open the VS Code editor, and first of all we see the what we want to create. Let's see. First we will create these types of a HTML page. Here first stop using the heading tag, giving the heading dynamic coding with Amit. Now next using the p tag we added the dummy tags this, and after that using the list tag we added the list of the programming tag. Now let's go with the VS Code editor. First of all we open the VS Code editor here. See, now add the one of the link, create a file, project 1.html. Now file is created. We want to add a boilerplate of the HTML tag. Now first of all we press the shift and exclamatory mark, this embedded coming. Now enter. All the boilerplate are already. Let's see. First of all we add this top section heading. Now we using the h1 tag and write dynamic coding with Amit. Let's see the output. First of all open the browser Chrome and copy the path here and paste. This output is coming. Now we want to add the dummy text. For that go to the browser and type ipsum, or in the VS Code editor already provided the dummy tags. Copy this dummy tags and go to the VS Code editor. Now in that we using the p tag. Inside the p tag we paste the dummy tags. Now see what will the output. Go to the VS Code editor in and refresh the page. Now see our dummy tags is like that. Or we want to add more, so we want to copy this here. First of all we select how much paragraph and generate. Let's see this dummy tags, copy this and paste here. Now see in the our HTML page, refresh the file. See dummy tags will be added. Now after that we add the list of the programming language. For that using the unordered list, let's see here using unordered list ul, and in that first of all we're giving the heading with the using of the page tag list of programming language is capital or small. Let's see it. Let's see the browser is show or not. Refresh the page. Let's see list of the programming language. Now we want to add the list of the using the unordered list. In that using the li tag. First of all we giving the like C, JavaScript, CSS, C++, Java. Let's first of all we give Java script, CSS, C++, and Java. Let's open the browser and refresh the page. See our output is coming. Now we completed the first project. In next project video we can see the formatting tag. If you like the video please like it. Thank you for watching.